Hello children, so today we are back with multiplication of fractions, but we will be solving word problems. Let us go to the first word problem. If a liter of juice cost rupees 18 and a half, what would be the cost of 24 liters of juice? So we can write the information given like this. A liter of juice cost rupees 18 and a half. What is the cost of 24 liters of juice? So some children here always have confusion that whether we should do multiply or we should do division. So whenever there is information given about one, now here they have given the information about one product, 1 liter, and they have asked for many. So in such cases we always multiply. Like suppose this pen is 5 rupees. So one pen is 5 rupees. So 2 pens will be 10 rupees. What did you do? 5 into 2, 10. But suppose if you have still doubt in your mind, you can use this trick. Like suppose you can write here liters of juice and here you can write rupees. Okay. So 1 liter of juice is 18 and a half rupees. So we can write here the first information given here is 1 liter 18 and a half rupees. So what is 24 liters going to cost us, right? So this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So now if you ignore 1, you will see there is one number in the left hand side and one number in the right hand side. When there is such a case, one number in left and one number in right, we always multiply. That is called cross multiplication method. So you can use this method also. Hide 1 and see where are the numbers placed. If one number is in left hand side and one number is in right hand side, you multiply. So 24 multiplied by 18 and a half. So our job is first to convert the mixed fraction. 18 2s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37 by 2. Here nothing is there. 1, right? So now if you see, one numerator and one denominator gets cancelled by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 12s are 24. So 12 into 37 is 444 rupees. So children, you can use either this method or this method. So our next sum is, if Isha cycles 7.5 kilometer an hour. So Isha is cycling an hour so much distance, 7.5 kilometer. What distance will she cover in 3 2 by 5 hours? So let us write the first information. Distance covered by Isha in 1 hour is 7.5 kilometer. So distance covered in 3 2 by 5 hours will be how much kilometer? Okay. So now here the information for 1 hour is given and they were asked for many hours. So it is a case of multiplication. But let us use that method, left and right. So here it is hours and here it is kilometer. So 1 hour is 7.5 kilometer. So in 3 2 by 5 hours. So we will put it below hours. 3 2 by 5 hours. How much kilometer can she travel? So this is left hand side and right hand side. I am hiding one. One number is in the left side and one number is in right side. So cross multiply 3 2 by 5 into 7.5. So I am converting the fractions, children, mixed fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. That's all. These are all prime numbers. Cannot be further divided. 17 3s are 51. 51 by 2. So now here, because the questions is in mixed fraction, we will convert this to in mixed fractions. So when you divide 51 by 2, you will get 25 1 by 2 kilometer. Hope you understood this sum, children. So children, our next sum is, a truck covers a certain distance at a speed of 45 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. What is the distance that it covers in 6 hours at same speed? So let me break this sentence into two. A truck covers a certain distance at a speed of 45 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. So in 1 hour, this much distance is covered. So distance covered in 1 hour is 45 2 by 3 kilometer. What is the distance that it covers in 6 hours? So distance covered in 6 hours, we have to find how much distance he has covered. Now here you can see clearly, children, information about 1 is given and information about 6 hours is asked. So what will you do? Yeah, you will cross multiply. So 6 into 45 2 by 3. So 6 into, let us multiply, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 135, 135 plus 2 is 137 by 3. So now here there is nothing, so I will put 1. Now you can cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So let us now multiply this. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 1s are 2. 274 kilometer. Okay children? So we have come to the last word problem. For stitching a shirt means one shirt. For stitching a shirt, a tailor needs 2 2 by 5 meter cloth. How many meters of cloth would she require to stitch 20 such shirts? So I will divide this question. They have given for one shirt to be stitched, they need 2 2 by 5 meter cloth. So cloth needed for one shirt is 2 2 by 5. How many meters cloth required to stitch 20 shirts? So cloth needed for 20 shirts is how much? So here they have given information for one and asked for many. So this is a case of cross multiplication. So 20 into 2 2 by 5 meter. So convert the mixed fractions. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12 by 5 meter. Now here there is nothing. So I am putting 1. 5 1s are, 5 4s are. So 12 4s are is 48 meter. So here we are done with multiplication of fractions, children. So my next topic which I will be covering in my next video will be on division of fractions. Thank you.